Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the programming code for your Kwikset 926400001 electronic deadbolt in 2026. So first of all, if your lock is still using the factory settings, the default programming code would be 0000. However, if the code has already been changed, you will need the current programming code in order to continue further. Now, in order to change the programming code, you need to first of all start by entering your current programming code. So simply use these buttons on your Kwikset keyboard, and then you just have to simply add your programming code. After doing so, you just have to simply just remove this particular cover, and inside it you are going to see a program button. So you need to simply press this particular program button once. Afterwards, you need to start entering your new programming code. So it should be between 4 to 10 digits. After entering the new code, you just have to again press the programming button in order to save the changes. So if the process is successful, the lock will provide a confirmation signal, typically flashing the green light, and it will also beep to indicate that the new programming code has been accepted. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.